This is crazy. How did they get here? This is the most difficult task to land on such high mountains. This Chinese pilot did a crazy job. Plane turboprop overruns what looks to be a short and very wet runway. The problem with flying turbo pair and the entry-level job. What went wrong here? Choose one or add one. Aquaplaning performance miscalculation, incorrect landing. When does night start in aviation? It is the end of evening civil twilight, which is when the geometry more than 6 degrees below the horizon. Landing RWY-17L, Orlando, Florida, USA in an Airbus A321.